Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your personal data with Kaspersky Antivirus easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Kaspersky Antivirus software. In the main interface, locate the security section. Click on Privacy Protection to access data protection features. Select Data Encryption to secure your sensitive files. Click on Add to choose the files or folders you want to encrypt. Set a strong password that you can remember. Confirm the password to complete the encryption process. Next, go back to the main interface and select Save Money. Enable the feature to ensure secure online transactions. Open your web browser and navigate to your banking site. Kaspersky will automatically switch to Safe Money mode. You'll notice increased security features for this session. Now, return to the Privacy Protection section. Select Web Antivirus to enable protection against harmful sites. Ensure the option is activated for real-time protection. Next, go to VPN within Kaspersky for secure browsing. Turn on the VPN to encrypt your internet connection. Choose a server location that fits your needs. Finally, review the Reports section for any alerts. Regularly check for updates to keep your software current. You are now equipped to protect your personal data with Kaspersky Antivirus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.